Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Shop Saturday. We haven't had a whole lot of time to be in the shop, but now that we're back in the shop, we've got a new piece of equipment. So we've got a 5-inch random orbital sander that purchased from Home Depot, and some 5-inch sanding discs that are 150 grits for the in-between stages of sanding. So let's get this thing opened. I know some of you guys are probably wondering why I bought another sander. Well, my other one seems to have lost its actual sanding power. It'll spin real fast, but then as soon as you put it down on the piece of wood, it quits spinning. So the good thing is that there is a warranty on that, so I can take it into Home Depot. The only problem is I have to drive it all the way to Flint. So. And I don't know how many people have the same situation where the service center for Home Depot is quite a ways away. So I just bought another one. Hopefully they'll be able to repair that because there is a lifetime service agreement. And then I'll have two sanders. One for having the 80 grit on it, and one for the in-between stage. But like any package, there is instructions. And comes in here. This one's actually a little bit different than my other sander because this little thing is the dust collector on here is actually a dark color gray, so kind of matches the whole look of the sander a little better. I don't know if you can tell, maybe it's not even in frame, but it's just your typical sander, which my other one, it actually worked really good for collecting the dust in here just with this little bag on there. I went with the corded one just because usually when you sand you have to do a lot of sanding. Seems like woodworking should actually be called sanding. You spend most of your time doing that. The one thing that is really important to do is register your Ridgid sander on the Ridgid website so that you do get the lifetime service agreement. I've seen a few people on Instagram and stuff be able to get you know, their piece of equipment failed and then they were able to get a new one from Ridgid. So I hope this one lasts a little bit longer than my last one. The last one only lasted about 3 months, but and I really didn't use it a whole lot, so I was kind of bummed that happened. But let me go grab that so we can see the differences between the two. Not that there's a whole lot. Oh, and actually, it's in my car, and I'm too lazy to go downstairs to go grab it. But trust me, this color, it's like a tan color on my other one. That seems to be the only difference. We're going to put this to use today because we're going to finish up a table. So hope you enjoyed that. I know there wasn't a whole lot to it. I guess I can show you how these discs go on there. But these ones are just open in the back here. And I actually made, let me go grab it real quick, because there are these holes on there where you have to, this is for the suction, so that the dust ends up here and not all over your table or all up in your nose. But you have to get them lined up. So there's sometimes when you put it on there, it's not centered, but I made a jig for that. Let me go grab it. And believe it or not, this is super handy. If you put it on just like this, so the back side's up, you can make it so that the holes go just like that. That way, this is straight, and then all you have to do is line your two holes up. I don't know if you can see, but you line your two holes up, and then it goes on there perfect every time, and it takes the guesswork out of it. So now it's on there. Look at that. 2 seconds. So just grab yourself a piece of wood and put a sanding disc on there, drill your holes, put some dowel in there, glue it in real good, and then you have a sandpaper disc putter on or jig. So that's the patented term for that here at BNBmarbleboards. So hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to plug it in and sand this tabletop. This was actually the tabletop that the other sander broke down on, and it left quite a gouge in it. So we're going to sand her down here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to get one of these and you don't have time to go to Home Depot, I'll leave a link down in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so any purchase you make on there does help our channel out slightly. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to stay up to date on what we're doing in the shop, hit the subscribe button. We try to post one video a week, usually on Saturdays. It's called Shop Saturday, where we try to just stay motivated and keep on creating. We're currently working on a farmhouse table and a bench, and we also started making some grill scrapers and stuff. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and as always, we'd like to know what you're working on in your shop. So leave us a comment down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.